Hey guys, this is V and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a recap. Plus, I'm going to show you in this space that I just sheetrock, carpet, and put baseboard in. I want to put the desk in this space, but the area that I want to put the desk in, the desk is a bit too large. So I want to go ahead and cut the desk to make it fit in the area. I want it large enough for like a computer. So this is the area that I want to put it, and I'm so proud of my framework. So this is the desk, and I already measured the piece that I need. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it. I am using a jigsaw to cut it open and cut it apart. That's what I meant. Yes, so just like I said, I measured it, see the piece that I wanted to keep. I had a totally different idea for it. I was going to add the legs on the other side of me cutting, but I changed my mind and end up just, I'm going to show you how I was able to attach the desk to the wall, to the studs in the wall. So now you see how far I have gotten cutting this open, cutting it apart, I meant. So I thought about going from under the desk, cutting it, because more there's like rails under the desk would have kind of make it a little difficult, but it was not difficult at all just getting to that area. So having it sit up, because I don't have a workshop, it was easy for me to cut it open. So this is how it looks. It's cut in half. The only thing that is holding it together is the rail at the bottom. So I'm going to flip it over and you're going to see the line. What I'm going to go ahead and do is measure that area there and cut it. I'm glad that I thought about leaving the rail together because it helps me with the stabilization to flip the desk over. So now it's already cut apart. This is the piece that I am going to use, the larger piece, and I am going to go ahead and take off the legs off of the other piece that's not going to be used. So the legs are held together by some screws and a L-shaped piece of wood. It was a desk that I used for many years, but I no longer have the use in that capacity for it. I needed to be, for the space to be smaller. So instead I go out and purchase a new piece of furniture. I just figured, you know what? Paint is my friend. We're going to go ahead and see how we could do this. So I had thought to use the other legs on it, and then I changed my mind. I just went ahead and just screw the back legs onto it just to stabilize it, because I wanted to see how it fit in the space. That is the space that I wanted. And these are the brackets that I am going to use to put it together. It's some L brackets that I bought from Lowe's. I think it's like $5 for 4 of them. And I'm showing you another piece. That piece goes to like curtains, but I'm just trying to show you it's an L piece. You could use any L piece. So this is the drawer. I did end up painting the desk black. This is the drawer, and I spray painted the inside of the drawer because it was made more of a plastic material. So I wanted the paint to adhere to that piece. I'm going to go ahead also, and in the next video, go ahead and hang a TV over that desk. And I purchased this here from a thrift store. So this is the said desk, and this is how it looked, painted and sitting in its space and giving me the room that I need. I put the contact paper in the drawer. If you have contact paper and you want it to give you a tight seal, go ahead and use a blow dryer. The heat helps it. So now I build a little piece from top of the desk so it could have more surface. What I did, I cut the piece of the desk, the other piece, and cut two corners to make the legs. And you can move this from side to side. And it started off in the middle, and now I have it to the side. I use these cushion legs, the felt legs from the Dollar Tree. And this is how it's looking. I put the drawer in, and these are the brackets that I am going to use to put this desk together. Guys, my thing is your money is better with you than with anyone else. And I just think out of the box a lot of the times to just make things work for me. I already had a desk. Even if I went to the thrift store, I would have had to pay how much for it. So I was glad to repurpose this and make it my own. So I'm just showing you how the brackets could work under there, and you don't see the brackets because they are that small, but they are effective. So this is how everything is looking, and I'm going to style this room with you guys from start to finish. So you saw me, like I said, put in the carpet, put in the mirror frame, put in the baseboard, and I painted this room on camera too. So guys, if you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. I appreciate you all for watching.